Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So gold did end up going all the way back down on especially on the shorter time frames, and making like a double bottom. I'm actually wondering if there's like a one, two, three, four, five of wave A, and now we're gonna make the pullback, the bigger pullback for the wave B, which would be a pullback to this move down, and then eventually we're gonna make a wave C. And then eventually we're going to end up doing something like this. Keep in mind this is the daily time frame, and this whole ABC of B is likely going to take maybe a month, maybe 2 months to play out. So I think the next move, hopefully, is going to be an uptrend for the A, and then a crescent for the B, and then another uptrend for the C, ABC of B, probably up to like the 61 to the 78% Fibonacci retracement. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we really don't have a whole lot of proof that it's doing that yet. We don't have a significant higher low, and we don't have a break of structure yet. So we need to throw a Fibonacci retracement out here just in case it does decide to break back down at a Fibonacci level. Fibonacci should help us recognize that if it does decide to do that. But if we either get a nice significant higher low like this, or we get a break of structure, which is currently here, that's what's going to potentially prove to me that this is a 3, 4, 5 on the daily, and that we're potentially now heading up for like a 5 waves of A. And then we'll eventually make 3 waves of B, and then eventually another 5 waves of C. Like I said, even just this ABC of B pattern potentially is going to take several weeks to play out. So just keep in mind how long it takes the market to do these type of things. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.